Using a T40 Torx bit, go ahead and remove the upper bolt here. In order to remove this bolt, you want to push up on this little spring tab here. Slide the bolt out like so. Go onto the lower unit here. Move your bolt in the washer. Go ahead and take your bolt and the washer, put that through this side here. You want to make sure that when you're installing that the spring clip goes on the outside like so. So this is going to go through. Put your washer on the back side. And your little plastic retainer. Just thread that on down. Go ahead and snug that down. Take your mounting stud, push it through, lock it up into place. Go ahead and line that up. Go ahead and get that bolt started.